They say Ihedịọha had just resigned from the PDP today. Ahead of that, a lot of his associates tendered their own resignation letters to their various wards. And now it's official. Ihedịọha is out of the PDP. So the big question now is, are we going to have a rematch of the 2018 primaries na PDP between Ihedịọha and Sam Dady? They said the stage has been set for that now, whereby Oga was a primaries now, Oga was a general election between Sam Dady and Ihedịọha. With this resignation of Ihedịọha from the PDP, this Imo State Charter of Equity that seeks to install a governor in Imo State that's from the Owerri senatorial zone come 2027 is coming. And then they said Ihedịọha is trying to position himself for that. We did hear, and I don't hear him. And I don't hear him now, right? Yes. So what's going to happen next? Is Ihedịọha ready for what's next? A lot of people are believing that this new charter of equity in Imo that's calling for a governor from the Owerri senatorial zone in Imo State come 2027 is the major reason why Ihedịọha left PDP. He feels that PDP, he doesn't have enough rooms to move around because Sam Dady Anyanwụ PDP down. So that's why he left. Now let's go further to analyze this. Now question is, or the questions are, let's take it one by one. As Ihedịọha don't leave PDP now, where will he be living for? Will he be living for APC or will he be living for the Labour Party? As now, he met with Ihedịọha P2B a few weeks back, but nobody knows the outcome of that meeting. Labour Party. But the question is, will Labour Party welcome him? What about the P2B faction, the P2B factor? What about the Atiku Abubakar factor? Have those factors left Ihedịọha alone? Will the people in Labour Party still remember the fact that Ihedịọha supported Atiku Abubakar over P2B? Will the people in the Southeast still be upset that Ihedịọha said the real Sabo will be anyone that did not support Atiku Abubakar over P2B? Will they still remember some of those things, or are they going to welcome Ihedịọha with open hands into the Labour Party? That's one. Second question. If Ihedịọha were to join the APC, would APC welcome him openly, just like that? Or are they going to still, are there people already positioning themselves for the governorship position from the Owerri senatorial zone? People like McDonald Ebere, current APC chairman. What if he wants to be the governor? And then he's close to Uzodimma. McDonald Ebere is close to Uzodimma, and Uzodimma might want him to be the governor. Uzodimma might even have other people who have been very close to him over the years within the Owerri senatorial zone that he wants to make them his successor. Would Ihedịọha find favor in his eyes if Ihedịọha were to go to the APC? I don't know. So Ihedịọha, if he positions himself for the 2027 APC because of this charter of equity as a governor from the Southeast, a governor from the Owerri senatorial zone is needed. If he joins the APC, would it be easy for him? Because that's the ruling party. Would it make it easier for him? Or would the Labour Party make it easier for him? Let us know. I'm Manapola. Let's see. Let's hear what you think. You understand? Because he wanted that name recognition. He was once a governor. It didn't work out for him eventually. But he wants to join the APC. That's what's going on here, I heard. So that with the ruling party being, with the party in power, he can now use that influence to become the governor. And I think the APC people would like to welcome him as well. They will welcome him where they don't have to risk a candidate who's not tested, who's not been tested before. Ihedịọha has been tested. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Do you think Ihedịọha is leaving PDP just so he can join the APC to position himself better for the governorship come 2027? Do you think he's doing it for other reasons? Has Sam Dady finally succeeded in pushing him out of the PDP? Because it looks like Sam Dady is getting stronger and stronger within the PDP. So a lot of people are also wondering if the P2B factor has left Ihedịọha alone. The P2B, or what they call the Atiku Abubakar factor. You know, they accused Ihedịọha when he came to America that he was asked about the Sabo. Yasina, the real Sabo is anybody when no support what's his name, Atiku Abubakar over P2B or whatever, you know. So a lot of Igbos were against that. They didn't like that statement, so they came out against him heavily. I think that's one of the reasons he didn't go on contesting for the governorship, because people believed he was going to lose, because those statements, some missteps, and that statement in particular made it harder for him to, you know, remain the darling of the people he once was. You understand? And that made Sam Dady the automatic, you know, choice for the PDP governorship, gubernatorial. So now, people are asking, have people forgotten that Echefulahaya is the electorate ready for Ihedịọha once again? Are they still going to look at him as somebody that did not help P2B win? Are they still going to look at him as someone that chose Atiku Abubakar over P2B, who was very, 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 very popular this last election season in the East? So what would Ihedịọha need to do to make people forget about that P2B factor? A lot of people also believe that that same P2B and Atiku misstatement and missteps by Ihedịọha, they believe that one of the things in Mary Uche from Obinze, where West local government, he lose those senatorial seats, he lose those senatorial election, because he was very close to Ihedịọha, and it was hard for him to really, you know, disavow Ihedịọha or keep himself away from Ihedịọha during that season. You understand? So a lot of people believe that's one of the reasons he lost, because Uche was very, very popular. People wanted him badly, but people looked at him and like, when I get to vote, when you soga Ihedịọha Akoriga P2B or isoga another Onye Ugu. Some people are also now saying that Sam Dady might not even last in the PDP. They say Sam Dady is leaving. But with this rumor now that's going on, you know, I know that now we're undercover or clandestine movement where Sam Dady has a petition, or maybe he's not making it public as yet, against Hope Uzodinma. I guess if that goes through, some people will be like shocked as well, you know. But those are just, we're still trying to confirm some of that. But if that were to be the case, if Sam Dady had actually taken Hope Uzodinma to court and or is still doing it now, or is still in court with him, is that not going to be negative for him if he were to want to join the APC also eventually? Is that going to affect him? Or are they going to look at him like, damn, you've been fighting us all this while and now you want to join the APC, you know? So I don't know. If Sam Dady is truly in court with, as rumored, if he's truly in court with Hope Uzodinma, will it not be better for him to just stay within the PDP then? Because if he leaves PDP now for APC, trying to position himself for the 2027 or whatever senatorial situation, it's going to be harder for people in the APC to welcome him with open hands, and it's going to be also harder for Hope Uzodinma to, you know, to warm up to him and make him his successor. I'm just thinking about it. Him check it. Well, yeah, man, I caught too, because actually has Sam Dady cannot court with him. We're looking into that. All right. Let's know what you think. Everybody's just, you know, trying to position himself for the 2027. But if Sam Dady were to leave now, where would he leave for? Let's hear your thought. I get Walanti, Marquale Behavior, make a while. Breezy Fefe, Ufere Fefe, Ufere Fe, I am man, a father sotraza. Ufere Fe, game as a father sotraza. I live Ufere Fishing. Let's hear your thought. One love, fracas, more fire, fuka. We4We Media, that's we there.